You're welcome back now. It's a very special day here in the Ireland M Kitchen this morning.
It sure is. The domestic goddess herself. No, it's not Muireann O'Connell. It's Mrs. Doubtfire is with us.
Come on, give it up. Mrs. Doubtfire. After a busy few years on the West End, Mrs. Doubtfire is bringing her hilarious musical to Ireland from December 2nd to January the 3rd. Hello, Mrs. Doubtfire. It's lovely to have you.
Hello, Poppet. I'm very well.
I've been called Poppet by Mrs. Doubtfire. We'll get into the business end first, because you are going to cook for us. We know how good a cook you are. What can audiences expect from a Mrs. Doubtfire night, an extravaganza?
Well, we'll be hip-hopping, bebopping, some tick-tocking even, and yo-yo, make a wicked cup of cocoa, that kind of thing. But this is an all-singing, all-dancing show, we're tap dancing, there's hip-hop, there's all sorts, and rock, of course. So, yes, with the whole gamut, and it's a completely different feel to what you've seen before.
OK. Now, I am such a huge fan of you and the original, of course, but it's not just a comedy show. There's plenty of heart in the story of Mrs. Doubtfire as well, isn't there?
That's right, Poppet. It's a family show. I mean, anybody can come, from 5 to 100. Bring the granny, bring the husband. But yes, it's all about the heart and how far you'll go to be with your family, the ones that you love.
And you look forward to being in Dublin, the Board Gosh Arena.
The Board Gosh will be wonderful. By gosh, it's going to be wonderful.
My gosh.
But I'm going to be hitting Temple Bar, Neary's, Whelan's for a bit of music. The music here is so wonderful.
Be careful now with the Irish whiskey you have beside you as well.
Whiskey in the jar.
I'm sorry, if you saw Mrs. Doubtfire in Whelan's, you'd be like, hold on now.
Yeah, wait a minute.
What did I drink earlier on? She's in her heels. She's ready to go, by the way. So she's going to be all singing on that. Very sensible heels, Mrs. Doubtfire. I enjoyed them.
Only a couple of inches.
We're in the kitchen. Because we know Mrs. Doubtfire is a great... You're going to cook something.
Yes, this wartime classic, a bit of spotted dick.
A couple of inches,
So do you want me to just finish this off?
That would be...
Oh, well.
I think...
Absolutely.
I think take it away.
So here's some I prepared earlier. Now we're just going to add a few more raisins.
Delightful.
Because one has to stay current.
Yeah.
I love that.
Did you like it?
I love that.
You like that one? There we go. Yes, there we go. And then, of course, my special ingredient is not one for the children.
OK.
No.
This is an unbranded Irish whiskey, as you can see.
We don't have anything like
So
that.
we just have a little bit of the sláinte.
Sláinte, Mrs. Doubtfire.
Yes.
Yeah, just a slither.
A little more.
OK.
And will you be doing a bit of this cooking on stage in the Board Gosh?
Oh, yes, there's cooking. Yes, it goes very, very badly, I'm afraid.
And do you have the tab open in the bar upstairs, in the pub upstairs in the Board Gosh? It looks like you're going to have to run up and down to get quite a few things all the time.
I'm hoping there's a green room with its own bar.
I can imagine there's quite a few stage mishaps people can expect.
Yes, I mean, we've had wigs fall off, we've had people receiving my glasses in the front row.
Well, I think we go... Hold on, are the lads going to help you do something now?
Well, you
have to put that,
Let me just pop it in.
We've got something in front of us here.
Oh, she's putting it in the oven.
Wow, look at that.
A whole cooking
Mrs.
technique.
Doubtfire, you're such a
Not your first rodeo, Mrs. Doubtfire.
No, yes, but the task is
getting
not
you
done,
involved.
boys, because I need you whisking away.
OK.
OK, right.
Not a problem.
Put us to work here now.
Absolutely.
Oh, God.
I'll start to.
It's getting hot in here.
It is, sir.
Figure of 8,
It's
Mrs.
getting
Doubtfire.
very hot.
I don't know what's happening.
And tell us, in terms of parenting tips, have you any tips for us out there struggling with kids at home?
Well, bring them to the show, and I don't mind a giggle and a wiggle, but they've got to keep their sweet wrappers quiet, if you know what I mean.
OK.
And your stamina. It's incredible.
I know. My girdle is industrially reinforced with titanium.
When you're going to be going from the 2nd of December till the 3rd of January...
8 shows a week.
I mean,
That's a lot.
Christmas.
It's plenty of protein and a lot of spotted dick.
Yes.
But you're not thinking of retiring, Mrs. Doubtfire. You're not
Never,
going
dear. What, an actress never retires.
You're in your prime.
No, you can't be doing
Have you been
anything like
enjoying your time in London?
Oh, my time in London.
Have you been
for 2
enjoying
years.
it?
Oh, it was wonderful, Poppet. We were a hit. But they just, sadly, they couldn't afford me anymore.
OK.
that. They couldn't the cost of living crisis.
This doesn't come cheap.
No.
We're talking about childcare in Ireland at the moment as well. Listen, people could do with a lot more. Mrs. Doubtfire's out there as well and teaching how to whip cream.
Yes, I think you're doing wonderfully.
Are we doing a good job?
This was whipped about 10 minutes
probably
ago.
enough now, actually,
Yeah,
guys. But
OK.
do you know what's wonderful about this? Not only does it go well with the with the pudding.
Yeah.
But it's actually a wonderful moisturiser.
Oh,
Would you like me
really?
to demonstrate?
Oh, yeah, please.
Well, there you
yeah.
go. See, there it is.
Okay.
Wow.
Just to put a little bit on you there.
And what about this?
Now, you just keep that on.
Okay, and so
Lovely.
the spotted dick then comes after. Well, this was meant to be for that.
No,
is
this
it?
is-
This is
That's
just,
lovely. Wonderful.
There you go,
Okay,
Eric.
I'll
Let's
get
not-
involved
there you
too.
go.
Wonderful.
Perfect.
I'd say that's a TikTok craze waiting to happen.
I think
Okay.
and this is the key to anti-aging, is that right, Mrs. Doubtfire?
I honestly don't know, actually.
You
But it's
do
a lot of fun.
He looks very dewy.
It's such a pleasure to have you in studio here.
It's also a wonderful disguise, as you well know.
Yeah, okay,
Yeah,
right.
no, this
barely
is wonderful. I
recognise you
feel
now, Tommy.
refreshed already,
You
honestly.
feel refreshed as to what
I
it
can
is that
feel
you're
my-
doing. I'm
my pores
assuming this
opening
will
up.
not be happening to audiences when they're going to be watching you at the Gáis Energy Theatre, or
You
is
never-
that something that could happen?
You never know. This is the beauty
Oh,
of
Mrs.
live
Doubtfire.
theatre.
There's something happened over here.
Oh, gosh.
I'm not sure.
That doesn't look right.
No, it's fine.
I have
it's
to say
absolutely
now,
fine.
this
It's just-
does. I think that smells delicious somewhere. Absolutely.
Really?
There's nothing wrong with that.
Oh, my gosh.
Okay.
my gosh.
We're gonna need,
Oh, dear, oh,
we're
dear.
gonna need some help
Wait
here in
a
the
minute.
kitchen.
Right, the alarm has gone off.
I think that we should have to.
No,
We
it's
should
really-
have to go.
Oh, I have something here. Help
Oh,
is
dear
on
God.
the way, dear. Help is on the way.
Oh, okay.
Danger averted. Don't
I
worry.
think
Oh, gosh.
You have actually managed.
It's absolute chaos in here.
Can I help you with your knobs and knockers? Are you okay? Are you
No, I
fine?
think I'll be fine,
Yeah.
actually.
Oh, Mrs.
Something that
Doubtfire, a bit of a wardrobe malfunction, but you look fantastic.
I'm
No,
so
I didn't
sorry,
notice.
Bobby.
I didn't notice. I don't think the viewers at home. The funny thing is, this isn't the worst cooking segment we've ever had.
I'm not actually joking.
Okay.
So the fire alarm is actually going off, and Stephen is shouting at us that we have to actually leave the studio.
okay.
Stephen is there. Head
Right.
to boardgashenergytheatre.ie to get your tickets to see Mrs. Doubtfire this
Take the
December.
moisturiser.
Lads, can you please
you.
go?
Yes,
Please go.
yes,
Please
yes.
go. We
Can I
actually
grab
have
my
to-
bag?
Thank
Please
you.
get out.
Thanks
We're
a million,
get out.
guys.
Lads, we will be back after this. Thanks
This
so much.
happens all the time.
Can everyone-